Hello there, my name is Christopher, and welcome to the first episode of Facts You Do Not Want to Know. Today I will discuss United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 14. I will also discuss why ocean is important, the state of our ocean, and how we may save it. In addition to this, a marine biologist will explain an idea which might save our ocean from global warming. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are 17 goals which are crucial for further development of humanity. Goal 14, to life below water, was also an idea to save underwater ecosystems from mass pollution and waste. Furthermore, the Sustainable Development Goals Knowledge Platform has stated that the United Nations wants to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. In order to accomplish this, the United Nations has set 10 targets related to a sustainable underwater environment. Since there are 10 targets with varying length, I'll only read parts of Target 14-1 to 14-5. Goal 14.1 explains that the United Nations wants to prevent and significantly reduce marine pollutions of all kinds, which is to be achieved by 2025. 14-2 explains that the United Nations wants to sustainably manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems to avoid significantly adverse impacts, which is to be achieved by 2025 as well. 14-3 explains that the United Nations wants to minimize and address the impacts of ocean acidification, including through enhanced scientific cooperation at all levels. 14-4 explains that they want to effectively regulate harvesting and overfishing. This is in order to restore fish stocks in the shortest time possible. Last but not least, 14-5 explains that by 2022, the United Nations wants to conserve at least 10% of coastal and marine areas, consistent with national and international law, and as well as being based on the best available scientific information. What I have just explained proves that the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Knowledge Platform has gone great lengths to help sustain the underwater ecosystems. This is really necessary. The ocean covers two-thirds of the planet, but it is worth using so many resources to save it. The answer is yes. The ocean and its ecosystem are as important to us on land as for the creatures underwater. If all life underwater were to cease, we would die with it. But why is this? Why is the ocean so important? Well, just to name a few examples, the ocean produces 50% of our oxygen, and in addition to this, it takes up more than 50 times more CO2 than our atmosphere. Furthermore, it is very important for worldwide cheap transportation, which makes it crucial for trade between different countries all over the globe. An example of this is China and the USA. The ocean is also very important for food, as well as medicine against Alzheimer's, heart disease, and cancer.